Here's what we got. The Lodge 12-inch carbon steel pan. It's 44 bucks. Let's see how it cooks.
You're going to hear me saying this over and over again during this review. This thing's heat conduction is perfect. Our first test was a New York steak. As you can see, the browning on this thing is beautiful. It was cooked perfectly, and the pan retained the perfect temperature the whole time. Keep in mind, I'm using an induction stovetop. As a quick little side note, this pan can be used with any heat source. Add a little butter, a little thyme, we have a perfectly cooked steak, thanks to this pan, and of course, my amazing skills. For the vegetable portion of our test, we're doing some onions and some bell peppers. Real quick, this thing only weighs 4 pounds, so you can do all the flippy dippy fancy stuff you want. That's another great thing about this pan, it's light. After a bit of style, I let the vegetables cook, and as you can see, they got a beautiful color, and they were cooked perfectly. Another great thing about this pan is the heat conduction stays to the pan. The handle is riveted on and does not conduct heat. Our last test is going to be baking a cobbler, and as you guessed it, it performed perfectly. The top of this thing came out beautifully browned and caramelized. The apples were delicious, it was light and fluffy, and as you can see on the bottom, there's a nice bit of caramelization on there. This is all you could want in a cobbler. So what do I think? This carbon steel pan is fantastic. It conducts heat perfectly, it's light, the handle doesn't get hot, and it's only $44. Buy and use this pan. That's it.
Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. If you didn't, leave a thumbs down so I know to do better next time. Do it again, y'all.